So draw all stereoisomers of 1,2,3-trimethylcyclopentane. So the first thing I'm going to ask you is, what is 1,2,3-trimethylcyclopentane? Yep, so it is a cyclo, meaning ring, right? And it's how many carbons in the ring? 5, fantastic. So 5 carbons in that ring. Does it have any double or triple bonds in it? No, just single bonds, right? Okay, and then finally, what does that 1,2,3 trimethyl mean? Yeah, 3 CH3s, one after another, right? So one on the first group, second, third. Okay, well, kind of like that. Okay. By the way, which direction you choose to do this doesn't matter. You could put that upwards. That'd be fine. Actually, normally most people would put this pointing upwards. So, but it doesn't matter. It's the same thing. Okay, so stereoisomers of these, well, what are we talking about? Well, it's a different thing to have the carbon pointing upwards, right, than for it to be pointing downwards. So if you have all 3 pointing upwards, that's going to be different than having 2 of them pointing upwards, 1 pointing away, right? Okay. Can you see that? You can use your hands if you'd like. You have essentially your hand, right, with 3 groups on it. 3 of them pointing upwards is different than 1 pointing down. I can barely do that. And then the other 2 pointing up, right? Okay. Okay. And so then the hard part becomes, how do I make sure that these are individually different, right? So would it be different to have 3 of them pointing up versus 3 pointing down? No, you see what I did with my hand when I did that, right? I literally just rotated the thing, didn't I? Those are the same, aren't they? Okay. Okay, so you got one unique one where all 3 point up, right? The easiest way typically to do this is to draw them out and then just eliminate the ones that are the same, okay? If you aren't sure. So you go all 3 up, and then you individually go ahead and start changing one after another, right? So the next one, we go ahead and move. Well, if we put 1 up, 1 middle, and 1 down, that would be different. That's in the plane, by the way. That one's away, that one's towards it. Okay. What if we did it the other way? Yeah, that's that stereochemistry, right? Yeah, that's what we're looking at there. Okay, how about that one? Yeah, 2 up, 1 down, right? Why isn't the 2 down, 1 up another one? Yeah, we could rotate that, couldn't we? Yeah. Yeah, because there's enough different groups on this one should be different. This one, however, wouldn't be different than 2 up, 1 down, or 1 up, 2 down, right? Okay, fantastic. That is that, I guess. Did anybody have any questions on that? Or did everybody get that okay? Okay, yeah. Experiment around with them a bit. As you practice, you're going to get better and better at that, okay? It's one of those things that you just